gonna go see, Timmy?
Black Panther. I think I've seen every Marvel movie in the theater, starting all the way back with Iron Man, which is like 10 years ago now. So that's cool. So this summer, I mean, even when we were traveling a year ago, we saw a bunch of movies in like Kuala Lumpur, and we saw Civil War in Bali. It's just cool to have like a thing to do together. We always go see the Marvel movies at the theater. It's awesome.
And then we were just going to stay anyways at the Cracker Barrel, and that's the sign for it. And then we just saw the movie theater here, and this is so perfect because it's only 6 o'clock at night. And instead of driving through the rain and going to like park on a random free spot, we are gonna go see a movie and sleep right there, and then drive an hour to go get to the beach. This is literally the perfect time to do this. This is so great.
I love this RV.
I'm so mad at myself. We were like running so fast in the rain to go see the movie, and I didn't zip up my coat pocket, and my phone just flew out, and it definitely has gotten run over by a car or multiple cars. And we were running around back and forth in the parking lot thinking that somebody like stole it or like what happened to it, and Tim was like finding my friends, and we were following the circle around the parking lot 9 million times, and then we finally found it. What do you want me to say?
Oh, I don't know.
The good news is we don't own that many more expensive things to break, so that's the end of the story.
We got a phone screen fixed earlier today. We got some unlimited data hotspot. It's been a really productive Monday. We hit the ground running, and we went to Cracker Barrel.
Well, we just turn onto the beach, and then we're just driving around and just, I don't know, find a spot to live, I guess.
This is perfect. This is one of the least stressful places we've driven. The sand looks like hard packed. It's gonna be fine.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to be here. In the past week, we broke the camera, the drone, and my phone. We just have almost finished sorting all that out, and we did so many miles in the past week that now to be here for 4 days, this is gonna be so amazing. I don't feel camera ready. I just got out of the shower. We're not having the best luck this week. We're getting a reduced engine capability warning on the error screen or whatever. The car is not driving. So I forgot when you're traveling like how much harder everything is. And we immediately went into our survival mode like we did on the first trip. It was just like, okay, it's 3:30, okay, let's look at the nearest mechanic. What time does that close? Let's give them a call. Let's see if Tim can fix some things. We were just starting the car because we were just gonna go into town to fill up the water tank. We're out of water now. That should be interesting, to be stranded on the beach with no water. We really want our channel to be like fun videos of all the great, cool things we're doing, but it really ends up just being you guys watching us get into problems. Ooh, big hole, big hole. We're fine going 5 miles an hour on this road.
Well, yeah, now I'm thinking of stopping and restarting the engine and seeing if it does anything.
Oh good, the battery on this is almost dead. Flashing red at me. Also, I'm working full time and it's like a Wednesday night, so like I work tomorrow.
Reduced engine power warning on it. I want to get a code checked and hopefully looked at.
And the door's open.
Okay, awesome.
This is just what goes on here.
Thank you. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Here's the card. He said he'll take a look at it, but he doesn't know if he can fix it like today. I think we should still go to Galveston.
Well, we wanted to go into Galveston. This is not the way we were planning to do it, but off we go on the ferry. In the RV, not the scooter day trip that we thought from the beach that we were going to take.
We just need to make it across the ferry, basically. So
Yeah, ferries are not good places to break down.
it sounds like a very expensive, frustrating place to break down.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at the creepy birds!
Oh, everybody, you just chilling here.
You just hang out in your car.
Pepper, no.
This is like, I think it's eerie because it's like, it's kind of stormy looking outside. And we're
Rough
terrified of
waters.
breaking down. Yeah, it's windy. The channel's super, super spooky. And then there's all these just like freight ships in and out of here. Freight ship, whatever. That's definitely what it's called. Birds, industrial port of Galveston, and more ships. Tim, a peanut butter and jelly. This is the moment of truth. We're literally the second vehicle in a whole huge line of vehicles to get off of this, and we're pulling up right now. So we want the car to turn on, and then we want the, even if it's going 8 miles an hour, again, we at this point just need to get off the ferry. Look at that. The speed limit, Tim, is 7, so we'll be okay at 8. 8 is too fast. We have to get up this ramp though.
We'll be fine.
Pepper, your butt is always in my shot.
Tavis, start your engines.
It's on. Are you flooring it?
Yeah, this is floored.
Sorry, 50 cars behind us coming out of the ferry.
That's
We're going to be
alright.
going
We're going the speed limit.
We're going the speed limit of 7. We're slowing down. Do you feel that?
Yeah, I'm doing it. I can't do anything else besides floor. This is 2 lanes. They can.
Oh, it's 2 lanes except for construction right there. Great. Are you sure the blinkers are on? Okay, I'm just.
Head south on Ferry Road toward Avalon Way.
I think this is enough.
I'm sorry I keep sticking the camera in your face, but.
I know. I think that's enough.
We made it to the mechanic. He just came in, he pulled all the codes, and he goes, "You have 6 warning codes." And Tim, like, sarcastically goes, "Awesome." And he goes, "No, it's not awesome. That's really bad." Ah, good.
I was being
Great.
sarcastic.
I know, I know you were being sarcastic. He was making sure you understood that it was not awesome.
We lucked out. The mechanic made time for us today. He is ordering a throttle body off of, well, just like an auto parts store instead of going through the dealership, and he's going to be able to turn some wrenches at 4 o'clock today, which means we should be mobile at the end of the day. Granted, it's going to be $600 installed, but that's a bargain because otherwise, what are we going to do? Can't live in Galveston.
But we can live here until 4 o'clock today, which is in like 6 more hours.
Easy. We have work to do anyways.
We were just gonna probably sit in the RV and work all day as it is.